Professionals prefer full-size HDMI or HDMI Type A, not mini or micro HDMI. They're just too flimsy. So then, why do camera manufacturers in November 2022 still make so many cameras with mini and micro HDMI? So let's take a look. Nikon, thankfully on their flagship camera, the Z9, full size. But all the others, Z7 II, Z6 II, Z5, all mini HDMI, which like really nobody uses. And then their Z50 uses micro. Canon, the worst offender. R3, R5, R6 II, R7, R10, R5C all use micro HDMI. I mean, the R5C, a cinema-based version of the R5, uses tiny little flimsy micro HDMI. C70, thankfully, is their only mirrorless camera that uses full size. So thank you, Canon. Fuji, you get the XH2 and XH2S full size, but then the XT5, which is brand new, GFX 100S, GFX 50S2, micro HDMI. Hasselblad doesn't care about HDMI on their X2D, so they just don't have one. Panasonic has done almost perfect. The GH6, BGH1, BS1H, S1H, S1, S1R all use full-size HDMI, but then the S5, micro. So if there's going to be an S5 II or like an S6, let's go full size. And thankfully, Sony has done it properly. All their cameras, full-size HDMI. A7R5, A7 IV, A7S3, FX30, FX3, FX6, and FX9. Boom. Thank you, Sony.